In the next 7 days, I'm going to face 7 toughest challenges of my life. Welcome to 7 days, 7 challenges. Imagine paradise. Now imagine a guy in the paradise who doesn't have a home. Did you think of someone like this? Well, no. The guy you should have imagined looks like this. Yep, this is me. This is day 4 and I'm going to be homeless in the paradise. Hello Mello! We just finished our 24-hour not eating challenge and let's jump straight onto another one. Let's reveal today's challenge. Today guys, we are going to be homeless for the day and for the night.
You are going to be homeless, not me. You are going to be homeless, not me.
Sorry, I'm gonna do it again. I am going to be homeless for a day and for a night in this paradise. I think I'm going to be the only homeless here. And the rules are not so simple today. All I have to survive with is towel, hammock, phone and $20 bill. And that's all in my backpack here. So I'm already ready for the challenge. Even though I had $20 in my pocket, I was hungry from yesterday's challenge and I had nowhere to sleep. I knew if I didn't want to sleep in the streets tonight, I had to make some money. Alright, so we just started now and my first plan is to go Yacht Club to see if they have some work there for me. I made a couple of plans, aka money making methods, prior to this challenge. Plan A, find a real job. Our first plan is to go to the Yacht Club and try to find a job there so I can make more money. We want to secure for the night because as we know from the boat, night is always the hardest part. I just realized I was going the wrong way. Here is where we are and here is where we're gonna get. So I have to go this way and I was going this way. And so off I go. This time heading the right direction. I was running low on water, but luckily I found this beautiful field, and field means that tap water must be around. So I could refill my bottle and continue on my journey to land a job. At this point, I was very excited and full of hopes. The sun is out, birds are chirping. What could go wrong today? Hello mate, are you guys looking for some help today? Maybe like cleaning toilets or whatever? For a few hours, or no, you guys are good?
That's not us, that's more the boys that work here, eh?
Yeah.
So as far as you can go right, then yes.
Too easy. Alright, thank you so much. Hello ladies, can I interrupt?
Yeah.
I'm just looking for some job, just one day job, maybe cleaning toilets or whatever. Do you think that there is someone who could help me? I can be whatever.
Okay.
I'm just looking for like 5-hour job, 6 hours, 7 hours, whatever, and then I'm out.
Okay, so not like a permanent thing?
No, just one day.
Oh, okay, yeah.
With?
A job for someone maybe a couple of days a week as a kitchen hand.
Alright.
But it would be every week. I want someone there.
Yeah. First place, fail. It would have been nice to get the very first job, but unfortunately we didn't make it and we'll have to go back to the city. After the first experience, I'm thinking kitchen hand. They might need some kitchen hands because it's Friday today. I'll just go into almost every pub in the town or in the city and I'm gonna ask if they need some kitchen hands, man. At this time, when I was heading back to the city, it was only 10:30 AM. So I knew I had enough time to get a real job, and so I wasn't going to give up on plan A yet. Hello mate, I'm good. Are you guys looking for a kitchen hand for today, or if you don't?
Ongoing, what can you tell me about yourself?
It would be just for today. I'm traveling Australia and so I'm doing like these challenges.
Right.
I need just money for today.
Yeah, fair enough.
That's all.
Not for today, because we're okay, but yeah, we are looking for something long term.
You are like
Everyone's
third guy saying the same thing.
Everyone's in the same boat.
Yeah. I don't want a contract or anything. I just want to wash dishes or toilets or whatever. Just, you know, one day and I'm out.
Why don't you try the accommodation places?
Like hotels, motels.
Yeah, just for housekeeping. I know you've got screening staff. If they might be happy with it.
So yeah, we've almost got it. The guy actually told me that I should go to my original plan that was like walk around resorts and ask for like cleaning and stuff like that. So I thought the kitchen hand was good. Now I see that it's not actually as good as the cleaning stuff. I'm gonna try to find some resorts now and I'm gonna try to find a job there. Here in Port Douglas, businesses struggle to find long-term employees. Why? The answer is simple. There's no affordable accommodation in town, so the workers have nowhere to live. Queensland is experiencing its worst rental crisis in history. Locals are forced to move into caravan parks to make space for new tourist resorts and Airbnbs. I don't think I can get any job now because it's getting late. In the restaurants, they have enough people for today. In the cleaning, in the hotels, they're looking for people only in the morning, and usually they have clients who send their people there and they're cleaning for them. Alright, so my second money-making method was supposed to be Uber Eats, but it's so complicated to actually get it running that I'm not doing that. So then I thought Menulog, that's very, very, very good in Australia or New Zealand, but Menulog is not here in Port Douglas. That's where I'm at right now. So the second money-making method, out. So my third money-making method is sports betting. I was starving for almost 30 hours in total, just because I was waiting for this to open. Ta-da! They have cheap pizzas here, so I could afford decent meal and save some bucks for the betting. Oh yes, please. Oh. Amazing. This pizza cost me $5 and we've got almost like 11 bucks to play with. So I'm gonna try to make double of it, which is $22. If I get that, then we're gonna have a good night. If I don't get that, then we'll have a bad night. Let's see what's playing now. So we'll do some gaming. So as you can see here, I bet on 3 clear wins. I didn't go over 130 in odds. Every match was supposed to start playing in 10 minutes, so meanwhile fully confident with my bets, I went for a beer that I paid for with my last money and I headed to the beach where Kate was supposed to be. Hello baby! After all day of walking, I could enjoy myself with Katie. So Kate's leaving. Maybe you can see her, maybe you cannot. And we continue. Mustangs? We're probably not gonna make enough for that. It was just around 5 o'clock and I went back to this place. I decided to set up my hammock in between 2 palm trees and relax until my bets got resulted. And that's when the bad news started hitting me. It's almost 6 o'clock and all the bets are still pending. So we put our bets in at 3 o'clock and every single one of the matches was supposed to start in 10 minutes. Now it's 5:57 and none of them has been resulted yet. So it's currently 8:30 and the bets are still pending, which is insane, bro. Like I don't understand, like, because I have to leave this spot with the palm trees and everything because you can't camp here. So I'm gonna go back to the park where we were in the morning and I'm gonna try to set up my hammock there and sleep there. And we just lost the bets. I'm not gonna enjoy this nightlife tonight. I'm not having any beers, I'm not having any dinner, I'm going to sleep. Thank you for watching. Big challenge tomorrow. Physical, very, very physical. We're going to break some records. Have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow. I may have failed all the money-making methods today, but still, I call it a successful day. I've learned some things, such as never bet all your money. I decided to go to the park where it all started, but the park was so busy. Well, so I had to change plans and I get ready for the night here. That's the yacht club right there. So yeah guys. It wasn't a comfortable night, but it was better than being cold and wet on a little boat. I woke up early in the morning, took a walk around the city and headed back to the camp where Kate was already waiting for me. Tomorrow is day 5 and there is a huge challenge waiting for me. See you all tomorrow.
Say the more we drink special lamba, special lamba, special lamba. More we drink special lamba, and the happier we shall be. Say the more we laugh together, together, together.